you don't know me, I'm Brian Stack. I'm principal here at Sanborn Regional High School. The ceremony that we're going to be doing today to honor our veterans, to honor those who choose to serve, to honor their accomplishments, and to honor some of those who have given the ultimate sacrifice. Please rise as we post the colors. The stage. Mr. Clint Arnold, would you come up here for a minute, please, sir? So Clint received a Purple Heart from the Army. He's a graduate of Sanborn, class of 54.
Purple Heart is awarded to any member of the armed forces of the United States who has been wounded or killed while serving with friendly forces engaged in an armed conflict against an opposing armed force. But as I stand here with them on this day, I can tell you there's no veteran here that's thinking of themselves or their service. Let me right now introduce Rolling Thunder, Bob McGuigan, and let him dedicate this table to the Sanborn Regional High School.
Bob McGuigan. I am a veteran, I'm a member of the Rolling Thunder Incorporated, I'm a member of the American Legion Riders. I'm here today as a spokesman for Rolling Thunder. And all these memorials, though they may be different in appearance, they're all united by the same thing. They represent our thoughts and feelings that show that we care for the still missing more than 90,000 listeners in the overseas war missing action. It lets the mothers, fathers, sons and daughters, brothers and sisters know that they are not alone in remembering those that they have never heard from again. The key word here is united. That is why we're here, to be united in our goal to always remember these servicemen and women.
I always want to say thank you. Thank you for serving.